Hello everyone, we are here today with Dr. Preeti Ojha, Principal of Delhi International School, Dwarka. We will be talking to her, trying and understand about her experiences while using Jackson DG sets in her school premises. Thank you ma'am for joining the conversation with us. Please tell us about why did you decided to get Jackson DG gen sets for your school premises?
Thank you to come to my school. Whenever I think about Jackson, I think about generators, and when I think about generators, I see there's 70 years of legacy, and this legacy brings in a credibility of the product. I find it value for money. I find it a company with a brand, and I feel it's one of the best things that we have done till now with our school.
So ma'am, let me ask you, how have Jackson diesel gensets have helped your institution?
Whenever I think about diesel set, especially the generator, I think about uninterrupted power supply. And uninterrupted power supply in today's time in the school is very important. We need to see that the security of the child and safety of the child from the very beginning, they enter in the school till the time they leave the school. So our camera vigilance has to be kept very strong, and to keep a strong backup, this is one of the best ways that we can utilize the generator.
Right.
The second important thing is the lab, where we usually use a lot of work happening with grades 10 to 12, where they're doing a lot of coding. They save the program, there are long codes and multiple lines written over there, where we need the children to save it at the right time, and if the backup isn't there, the children may lose the hard work that they get only for 40 minutes in the classroom. So that's second essential component. The third, which I feel, is that usually during our school working hours, we have a lot of information which has to be uploaded on various servers and various other organizations, and we feel that takes a long time. And if even for a second we don't have a power for a particular while, the uploading takes a longer time, and deadlines are very strict. And if we do not adhere to those deadlines on time, and because of a power supply, it feels as if we could have done better. So I think those are the important things because of which we require the genset.
Right. So ma'am, any particular message you would like to give to Jackson team?
Yeah, definitely. I would like to appreciate the team for their professionalism, the way they look after the institutions where they have installed their generators. I would like to also let them know that with professionalism, they also take care of the way they are with the institution and with the people with whom they are working. They're very friendly, and they're on time. That is something very critical during this scenario, to be on time whenever required. And the most important is the feedback.
Right.
Because very less organization have the courage to take the feedback from their clients, and only those organizations can do who are having an intention of reforming. And I think that's one of the best things which reassures us that we have associated with the organization is a very right decision.
Thank you so much for joining the conversation with us. It was lovely talking to you.
Thank you. Thank you so
ma'am.
much, Shilpi.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.